Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. BISP Solution is a tech company that provides technical solutions across the world. I am working here as a NetSuite functional consultant, and today we will be taking topic transferring of funds in NetSuite application. So our today's agenda consists of meaning of transferring of funds, features of funds transferring, benefits and scenario based on the transferring of funds. So first we will be taking meaning. So in NetSuite, transferring funds refers to the process of moving money from one bank account to another within your organization. So this is typically used when you need to redistribute your funds. Like for example, transferring money from a checking account to a savings account or from one subsidiary's account to another within the company. Okay. So next is features of transferring of funds. So it it plays a vital role in using multiple account support. Also, it makes automated journal entries in NetSuite application. Also, transferring of funds uses and supports NetSuite application in multi-currency transactions. It gives approval to workflow management also. It uses audit trail to rectify, and intercompany transfer is beneficial in transferring of funds. It also provides us customizable reporting in NetSuite application. It provides us real-time balance updates in NetSuite, and transferring of funds provide us user friendly interface where we can give us give entries as we want, and it also integrates bank reconciliation. We don't have to do on our own. It makes bank reconciliation on its own. So these are the features of NetSuite transfer of funds. Then what will be the benefits of the same? So it provides us efficient cash management in NetSuite. From this, there will be a improved financial control in organization. Also, it provides us accurate record keeping, and all the operations were streamlined, and we don't have to take any concern about the transactions. Next, going on to our scenario, if we want to make any entries in NetSuite application, so let's say our company ABC Corporation has two bank accounts. Like first is checking account where daily expenses are made, and savings account for saving excess funds, or we can say retained earnings of our company. Okay, so at the end of the month we find that there is extra money in the checking account that you don't need for immediate expenses. So we decide to move 5,000 rupees from checking account to savings account so that we can earn some interest on that particular amount also. So navigating through NetSuite application, this is what NetSuite application first page looks like. We will be going to our transactions. Then in bank, we will be finding transfer of funds, and we will be clicking on the same option. So when we click on the transferring of funds, here you can see the page comes with transaction number to be generated, transfer to be generated, and from account, we will be going to transfer amount from checking account to savings account. Okay, so we will be transferring this fund from on 31st August 2024, and current balance of checking account is 3,05,300 rupees, and in savings account it is 4,04,000. Okay, so we will be transferring amount 5,000 rupees. And let's suppose we make memo with the number 1098. Okay. And department, we will be taking India class, training class tools, and we can make this as nil only, and we will be saving the same. Okay. So here you can see we don't have to make any journal entry for the same. It is already done here, like credit is 5,000 and debit is 5,000 of savings and checking account. And exchange rate is by default USA exchange rate is there. So one is the exchange rate here. And as you can see, the amount in checking account is decreased and in savings account it is increased here. So if you want to see the GL impact of the same, so we can go to actions and then GL impact option we will be clicking on. So GL is general ledger impact. So checking account is credited with $5,000 and savings account is debited with the $5,000 amount. Okay. So this is how we make transfer of funds in NetSuite applications. So transferring funds in NetSuite is a straightforward process that helps businesses manage their cash flow efficiently. So by using the transfer of funds feature, companies can easily move money between accounts, which ensures that funds are available where they are needed most while keeping accurate records of all the transactions. So this not only improves financial control but also streamlines operations by reducing manual work and potential areas which may get in any errors or something like that. So to recap the part we have discussed just now, we have learned about the meaning of transferring of funds. Then we have understood the features of transferring funds in NetSuite application. Then we have discussed about the benefits of the transferring funds in NetSuite application, and we have taken scenario based on the same thing. So covering the steps to create a deposit and transferring funds, and also we categorize the expense and ensure that all the financial records are equal and balanced out. So by understanding how to do efficiently transferring of funds in NetSuite, we can streamline our financial operations and also maintain accurate accounting records, which is crucial for the overall health of our organization. So thank you for watching and I hope you found this information helpful. See you in the next video.